Hey guys, here today we have this 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to reset your change oil soon light. So when I start the car, this thing comes on. Give it a second. Alright, change oil soon. Alright, so how do we reset it? So we're gonna turn the car off. If you have a key, you're just gonna put to run position, run. Now we're gonna find option number 2, vehicle info. Then we're gonna go to hold OK to reset to LF. Now, okay, so let's hold it. So I'm holding it down. The thing is, we can hold it like this forever. It's nothing's gonna happen. Okay, so okay, I'm holding it, nothing happens. Nothing. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the car off, put it on to run position, and just press gas 5 times slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start the car and your oil is 100%. Okay, I don't know why it's like this, it's just the way it is. Very weird. Alright guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.